Love experiment gone wrong. An interesting narrative poetry by Chemistroland.
If there were no chemistry, no love would be there, and wouldn't be a tear in my heart. It would not have been a laboratory for an accidental love crush, like a broken beaker. An inert and noble atomic girl had not been encountered with me. Beautiful like vanadium, sweet like glucose, there was also the smell of Easter on her breath. Into her eyes, a love frequency raised my energy vibrations and electrolytes. One becomes felt drunk only with her initial sight. The feeling of her presence was like benzene in the lab, like radium, rays were felt in the dark. Connecting the gazes and avoiding it, my heart became slippery like Mercury's transit. Rotating around her home nucleus, insanely, like free electrons were available there freely. Sociostoichiometry that the girl had, everybody dies on that. There had been some production of love electrons, my heart started to look like a proton. Heartbeat was matching the frequency of transition elements. It kept my heart ragwort and haphazard sentiments. She looked me like my co-valentine. I wanted to make her my cation. Although the mole concept was not suitable for reaction, but my love electron inclined to her in attraction. To test the authenticity and coordination of the burning attraction, I decided to conduct a litmus test to check if either converts me blue or pink to her. My experiment went wrong during confirmation. She was so out of her senses after listening to my intentions. The inference she gave let me into my senses, behaving as the effervescence of anger when out of fences. She reacted to me like a sodium reaction in the open atmosphere. Iron can never mix homogeneously with gold. The miscalculation I made was completely told. The conclusion broke the beaker of my dreams. Reacted hopes were extinguished with seams. My life was stuck and bitter like benzaldehyde. Someone who was settled in a core heart shell became a side. But now my heart's nucleus was nearly too empty. Protons and neutrons were going to become senti. Like argon, my life turned lazy. Francium resembled me as I was dull and frizzy. Fluctuation in life got into action. Sometimes the heart was cold and calm. Sometimes it was like atomic bomb destruction. And nothing burned in the lab bombing except my heart. How can one bear this blast? Life became unsaturated hydrocarbons as a lonely star. And still, I'll wander as the wandering cloud. May the power of my energetic love frequency compel you to undergo a love reaction. May the unwanted wavelength of your love also become a crushed love situation.
If you want more scientific personified content merging art and science, comment, share, like, and subscribe to Chemistroland.